Okay, I have solved a machine today. Let me share how I solved. I'll share you guys the solution. Okay, there's an internet lag here. To join the machine, you need to connect to a VPN. Okay, those who are wondering what is this is PARROT OS. I don't use Kali Linux anymore because I had a problem in it and I couldn't figure it out. CD. Okay. I'm just doing an nmap scan here just to see what are the open ports and services used. Probably I might need a new tab. Yeah. Okay. I have an SSH service open and I have an HTTP service open. Okay, let's test the HTTP service first. Anyway, you can go for the SSH service. The only thing is you don't have the password. You can go for the default brute force like admin. The thing is you don't know you don't know even the username. That is a huge problem here. So let's go for HTTP. To open this HTTP, you need to edit the etc host value. Yeah, this is a website we are going to test. So let's go. Sudo, uh, okay, copy the IP address. Control Shift V. Tab. Alert.html. Okay, now we can go to Firefox. Uh, okay, this is the website we are going to test. Let's see the features. Donate, enter amount. Okay. Okay, nothing is here. Okay. Okay, we can inject a file here. That's clearly one thing for sure. We can inject a file here. So index.php page. Okay, if we are doing this for a bug bounty, we can actually start testing for open reader vulnerability. If you guys found it, you can report it to the company. Or since we are hacking the website, we are going to inject a malicious file, probably PHP file. Mm, okay. In my free time, I did try some PHP reverse shell and throw it in the browser. I did try to get a reverse shell, but I didn't get anything. So after some time, I did find that this web page is vulnerable to XSS, not PHP. So I did wrote a few XSS code. The another thing is you can actually give an PHP file here, PHP or a JavaScript file. If you throw a JavaScript or a PHP file, it will just show us an error and ask us to send us an empty file. So let me show you guys. So I did created two xss.empty, xss1.empty. Uh, Let me tell you what is there in xss.empty. Okay, this is just a simple script. Let me explain you what this script is doing. Script tag is uh, you can only write the JavaScript code only in the script tag. Okay, this is this is a URL in which I'm mentioning a file path, right? Okay, let me show you guys the URL. So in this type of URL, I'm testing for a local file inclusion vulnerability here. What it does this, um, when it try to mm, whenever I throw a file in the browser, I mean throw a file in the website, it will go and stay saved, go and get saved, and in which I'll get a response back. The response will be quite encoded. Okay, okay. I'll be explaining what exactly going to happen in few seconds. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Wait a minute. Okay, 10.10.14.117 is my IP address. Okay, 10.10.14.117. This is a port value 8888. What I'm going to do is Python. I'm going to open a Python reverse shell. Once I upload it in the shell, let's see whether I'm getting a reverse shell or not. Okay. Uh, dash, uh, I think I can try a netcat reverse shell itself. Yeah, wait. Sincere dash lbnp 8888. I'm listening to it. Okay, I'm getting a reverse connection. The thing is, I didn't exactly hack into it. I'm just getting some kind of data here. So the thing is, wait, where's the file? Yeah. Thing is, I can access some file path. That is the only thing it got proved here. Okay, I didn't get any 404 error. I didn't get any other error, right? So let me go Control C. So after this, I did just um, okay. Let me tell you what I excited as CD Seclist. Seclist is a famous framework which you can find in GitHub. I have already downloaded it. It can be used in many fluffing method like to find subdomains and domains like robots.txt and other domains. Okay, sec.ls cd web shells. I've already made a cheat sheet here. Okay, then let me open it. Cheat.txt. Uh, this is the text file um, which I update almost every time whenever I learn something new. Okay, these are the things I learned new when I started hacking websites. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I need to find some subdomains, right? So okay, let's use a GoBuster. I use this text file such that I don't need to memorize any other code. Okay, now go and copy. I just need to change it as alert.htp. Alert.htp. This subdomain top 1,005,000 text should be here. Yeah, subdomain top 1 million text. Uh, okay, those men wondering what does this actual code is. Okay, let's say we are actually trying to hack google.com. Okay, when you're trying to hack google.com, there are so many subdomains which you guys don't know. Let's say I will give you one example, like fonts.google.com. Okay, the fonts.google.com, what it does this, um, you can import some kind of fonts in which you can use to create a, no, it can be used in developing web pages. Say we have found one thing, statistics.alert.html. This thing, anyway we can't access it. Like alert.html, we can't access the page because it is a, the status is in 401, not in 200, right? Even after the all this kind, you won't be finding anything other else. So this is the only you use useful information you'll get. So I'm just canceling this. Okay, what I did, now all I need to do is edit this file path. That is the only difference between this xss.md and xss1.md. Now I will show you what is xss1.md. Yeah. In file path, where www statistics.alert.htp http password. Okay, you might wondering what the hell is this. In that other xss.md, you might seen file equal to file path, right? What I actually did is, let me go to the cheat sheet. First I tried this one, etc apache 2 sites enable default config. The thing is that there is one thing for testing path traversal vulnerability. uh, this is just a normal payload like dot 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 and etc passwd. This is generally a normal payload which can be used to get a username and password, right? So if I tried i- injecting this as a file path, but I didn't get any output because the thing is the developers will definitely put some firewall on it such that nobody get access to it. So I tried this one. Um, this one I did get some kind of output, but I didn't get the exact output which I was hoping for. So okay, let me copy this. Probably I need to I should put it in the cheat sheet because I might need in the future. Control V statistics that this is for my own reference. You guys can do that. What is dot 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 dot? This just is a simple Linux command. When you put cd dot dot, you can go to previous directory, right? That is the only thing I'm doing here. Here, the here I'm using statistics that alert.htp, which we found here. Where here we found, right, the unknown subdomain. So I'm using that, and rest of the code are completely same. I didn't change anything. Uh, if you see, look, I didn't change anything except the file path. So what I'm gonna do is wait a minute. Okay, 117.8.8.8, same port. Okay, this is my IP address. Okay, you can get in either if I think if you guys are using Kali Linux, you need to write ifconfig as command. Otherwise, IPA should work like IPA. This should show all your IP addresses. Um, okay, wait a minute. Oh, what happened? What happened? Nothing's here. This is another empty file, right? Okay. And you need to write some kind of Gmail account. A at gmail.com doesn't actually exist. Just write something, put at gmail.com. Now send it. Message sent successfully. Yeah, you got an output here. Okay, for some reason there's a problem. Looks everything fine for me. 10 10 14 117. Then 14.7. Oh, what exactly did? I don't know, something's wrong. Yeah, now I got something. Yeah, I didn't get anything in Netcat server, but I got in something in the Python server. So this the one only value which I have no idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decode this value. I'll copy this value, Control C, go into Windows, um, your decoder, decode. Okay, I got a username and a password. The problem here is the password is an hash value, which means I need to crack this password, right? So what I'm going to do is, mm, okay, go to cheat sheet. I have a hashcat command. Okay, before writing this, okay, this is a hashcat command. Okay, right. Okay, the temp.text value should contain the hash value. So what I'm going to do is I need to create a temp.txt. So I don't have any temp.txt. Temp.txt. Okay. Yeah, now have the hash file in temp.txt. Okay, something's wrong. Okay, start. Okay. Okay, now I got the parser, manage the united. The thing is, I have already done this, so that is the only problem. That is the only thing I didn't got the output here. Otherwise, you'll be getting a huge, there'll be huge process going on. So this is the parser, manages the united is a parser. So uh, okay, okay. What is the username? Okay, Albert is the username, and Manchester United is a parser, right? So if you guys remember when we did the MNAP scan, there was an SSH port open, right? So let's log into SSH dash L dash L. Okay, yeah. This is the one of the thing I learned by solving this hack the box. Probably it might be helpful for you. Okay, I just wrote this password down here. I should be logged in. Okay, I probably I made written it something wrong. Yeah, now I have an access to Albert's account. Okay, you have used it at txt. You got the value. Okay, cd. Okay, this temp.php I created it 2 or 3 hours ago. That is the only reason it has been shown in my system. Otherwise, in your system, the temp.php won't be shown here. The configuration.php, this will be shown here. Let's see what is in there. Okay, path. Okay, there's some kind of path here. Let's go to the website. The reason why I did why I did 127.0.01 means now I can access another website. I mean, I can access a server in a GUI mode in 8080. Let me show you how. I mean, 8080 is a port number. website monitors. So what I'm going to do is, okay, let me tell you what is Escalation and cat the template PHP. This this probably basic reversal. If you guys hacking a Ubuntu machine or a Mac OS machine, all you need to do is write bin bash. Probably you need to write sh, I think, sh dash I bin bash and bash I. This is a dev TCP. This is probably a famous code just to get the reversal. Let me show you another thing. Reversal generator. Look, I told you right. Dev TCP, your IP address and a port number. This probably this is just a famous payload. All you need to do is throw this payload to the target system and wait for the connection using a netcat server. All I'm doing is executing it with PHP. PHP. Right? Just executing with a PHP command. So that's the only thing I did here. In your system, you won't be having the template PHP. You guys need to create it by writing nano template PHP in, like, let's say nano template PHP. See, you can edit it. All you guys need to do is edit and save it. No. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to, you know, same port number, right? Okay. NC-LNP. I'm listening on port 8888. I'm in OPT configure. Okay. Config. Okay. Run config. You won't be getting anything here, but you'll be getting an output here. See, I got the connection from one IP address. So what I need to do is ls cd dot s uh, now if you have root here, right? Now you can access the root. Cat root.exe. Now you got the root text itself. That's it. The thing is, you can't access the root text from this Albert account. That is the only reason we are doing this much process. Let me show you. Look, permission denied, right? You can access the root. That is the only reason we are doing this stuff.